Hi, how are you? Welcome to the ORBC Sheep Research Center. Today we are going to continue on to explain a little bit what we do here and share some of the research that we are conducting. We don't have data on this one yet, but hopefully if we continue with this video abstract or video teaching or learning gallery, however you want to call it, we will share some information. So if you can see in this pen, we have again, winter time is January in Ohio, and we're finishing these four lambs, and the question is, which source of fiber do we use? And remember, sheep is ruminant, they need a fiber, roughage, for the physiological digestive tract. The question is sometimes the cost. It's not prohibited, but it's limited our earnings. So what we're trying to figure out here, what's the most economical source of fiber that will benefit the animal growth. So we have three treatments, and they have the three of them have different forage source, roughage source. One of the treatments, and I don't know, I will get closer to you guys. Shiloh, you do the cut of these in January. Okay, so for the research they provide this weekly. So this was cut in January. The whole plan is there. Probably we'll see some shots later on. But we consider this the fiber source. So we use 20% of this in the diet, and the rest is a concentrate that has proteins and minerals and the energy. If you look at the back of these pens, you will see that there are pens that seems they are in the blue gates, that the pens are a little bit larger. And I will show you later what's there in the back, but those animals have free access to hay. So they have a dividend hay intake. They can have as much hay as they want, and in the front, and we put a concentrate. Again, the same concentrate that we use with this forage. The third treatment is what we have here, and that we use soy pulp as a fiber source. So the concentrate is the same. We keep the same ratio, concentrate fiber, but what we do is soy pulp. Soy pulp is a byproduct of the soy production. So after they produce the oil and the protein, what is they cover the seed is the soy pulp, and it might be a good alternative. Again, we don't want to say it's the best or this one works better. We just want to have general data on what's the cost, how much they gain, and with having those data, you can estimate, okay, if the hay price doubles and soy pulp is cheaper, okay, we have this alternative. It's a continuous research in fiber. We did something similar a couple of years ago at the Eastern Agricultural Research Station, and the data is published on our sheep extension webpage. We didn't find any difference on the use of restricted amount of hay or restricted amount of soy pulp as fiber source. Now we are feeding ad libitum hay to see if the animal, if it's wise enough to choose one thing or the other one, and the cost of it. So with that, and I will be able to answer any questions. So please feel free to shoot an email to me or to anyone on the sheep team. Thank you.
This is the kind of stuff that gets me excited.